Hello students, I'm going to show you today how I want you to get started every time we open up Robot C. So first off, you notice that there are two programs here. One says Robot C for VEX Robotics 4.0. The other one looks very similar here. It says graphical. We do not want the graphical version. We want the one that says 4.0. So go ahead and double click on that. We'll wait for a little bit for that to open up. Should look similar to mine where there's a start page here. Our next step, every single time we want to go up to Robot in the drop down menu and look under platform type, and we're going to double check to make sure that VEX 2.0 Cortex is selected. In my case it is, and also that natural language PLTW is also selected. So for example, if I click on it again, it's actually going to uncheck it. And go back up to Robot, platform type, double check. You can see that my natural language is not selected. I'm going to click on it to make sure it is. Let's just double check again. See how both those 2.0 Cortex and natural language PLTW is selected. Alright. Now I want you to go up to File, Open Sample Program, and most of yours will look like mine here, where up in the file here it says Sample Programs and then VEX 2. If not, you can raise your hand and I will come around and help you out. And then within these folders over here, we're going to scroll down until we find PLTW. And I want to actually open up the one that says PLTW, stands for Project Lead the Way, template.c. Alright. Now, once I open that up, notice that a whole bunch of this green words popped up on my screen automatically here. Here's where I can add in a project title. I can say who my team members are, what the date is, and what my class hour is, if it's 1A, 1B, or so forth. Within the task description, you're going to write in words what you plan on making your robot do. And then, importantly here, it's important to talk about the pseudocode before we get into actually programming itself. Here's where line for line, I'll try to break it down into smaller tasks, like start motor, stop motor, use bump switch, those types of things, so that when I'm actually programming, I have a little flowchart to go off of up here. Also, when you write the pseudocode, it's a lot easier for me when I'm walking around to help you with your programming and find errors or things that you're doing well, that sort of thing. Alright, so I want you to do this every single time that we open up a program, and we'll see you next video where we'll actually try out some new programming.